Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Real Time Roundtable. Today we are going to talk about insurance. Uh, Insurance is one of the subject, or rather is one of the items that many people have taken into assumption, kwa sababu people are coming to you, marketing their product, selling their products to you. You buy the product, yet you don't understand what you bought. When we are talking about insurance, it's a long thing because insurance is defined as a contract, where the policy holder, you who buys the insurance, now you are the policy holder, you get into a contract with the insurer who is selling the insurance to you. Now you become the insured, or rather the policy holder, and then the company that sells insurance to you becomes the insurer. So, since it's a contract, you have to read the terms, you have to read the conditions, because people are like in case of motor vehicles, people are buying private covers, that is private cover, private insurance cover, and then because majama wako or your buddies, your friends are going for a trip on Saturday, you offer them your vehicle, they pay you kidogo, and then God forbid your car gets involved in an accident. Then what do? What happens? The insurance, before they compensate you, because it's a contract where you pay premium, where you pay for this insurance, and just in case of loss, you get compensated, you get reimbursed by the insurance. So now you're given majama wako gari on a weekend, God forbid ipate accident. This is a private vehicle. Being a private vehicle, na umelipa kitu kidogo ipate ajali, then before insurance compensates you, before you get reimbursed, or before insurance repairs your vehicle, they source for external investigators who give their opinion, come and investigate the circumstances of the accident, and then when they investigating, they also ascertain whether this was a private vehicle, private insurance cover, or this was a commercial insurance cover. Now it happens yours was a private, but you got paid. Now at the moment you receive money from your friends for you to rent them your car, now that one gets to a commercial insurance cover. Now for this one, insurance will fail to reimburse or repair your vehicle because you are using the vehicle outside the scope of the insurance. Now these are things that people don't understand. Someone comes and tells you that buy this policy, maybe education policy, maybe a medical thing, and then they don't tell you how long it takes to mature. And you, after 2 years, you're coming back to the insurance, oh, I need my money, or can I get some share of whatever I purchased during the start of this scope? And then the insurance will give you the money, but they don't tell you that they are lending you the money, and it comes with an interest. So for you waiting for the 10 years for your thing to mature, when you come back to get after, because you are informed it matures after 10 years or after 5 years, you come and you find that you're getting short less of what was promised, and it's not what was promised, it's what was on the paper because you signed the policy document. So people don't have the know-how. Not many people understand how insurance works. For example, also I gave that example of you lending your vehicle to your friends because they have a trip weekend and they pay you. Now that one, I say it changes the scope of the cover from private to commercial, and insurance itaruka hiyo claim, haitalipa hiyo claim. Other things that are happening with the insurance is because you're not reading the terms, like once you're getting the comprehensive cover, what are some of the losses that are being insured? What are some of the risks that are being insured? Because you get a comprehensive cover. Once you get the comprehensive cover, you don't read the terms whether the political violence is covered in that cover. You don't read if civil unrest is covered in that cover, because what you need is just insurance of your car. But wacha tuangalie hii, like in our country kumekuwa na a lot of demonstrations which are led by the politicians. So kwa hiyo heka ya maandamano zenye zimekuwa happen, your vehicle happens to be on the way, and then during demonstration many things happen. Maybe utapata watu wenye wamebeba mawe wameanza kupiga gari yako na mawe, wameinua gari yako wameitupa. And when you are signing for this policy, did you first ascertain if political violence is covered kwa hii cover? Then unaenda kwa insurance. Kwa insurance wanakuambia, this was as a result of political violence, so we don't cover this. The reason they will not cover it, or they will not reimburse you, is because you did not read what are some of the risks that we don't cover. But because you thought it's a comprehensive, it should be comprehensive, everything should be covered. But we are here to make you understand and learn that comprehensive cover is not all risks that are covered. You have to talk with your agent, you have to talk with the insurance company, and they have to explain to you, in case of this, we don't cover. Then there are things that like Juicy, there are things that also you can be blamed off by the government in case of an accident. I'm giving about the motor vehicle insurance policies, insurance covers, because this is where I have much experience with, because I've been insurance fraud investigator doing claims investigation for motor vehicle accidents, theft. Also, for the case of theft, before insurance compensates you with a new car, gives rights for you a check, come pick your check for, because you launched a claim, your car was stolen last week or a month ago, and you launched a claim, and then before insurance reimburses you, compensates you for this car, they send an external investigator who comes and investigates the circumstances of the loss. Now, when they are doing the circumstances, they try to look, did you cause the theft yourself? Is there something that you are hiding? Because many people in the industry, the fraudsters, what they are doing, they come and they find that, insurance don't cover mechanical thing. And so they come and find that maybe you are driving a high-end vehicle and the engine is not working, or the engine has failed. For you to go and get the engine or the spare part, maybe it's costing you around 300,000, and the valuation of the vehicle maybe is 1.1, 1.2. So many people are going to are working with cartels, are working with fraudsters. They hide your vehicle, and then you come claiming your vehicle was stolen. Yet back at the back of your mind, you know where your vehicle is. So the investigators will come. They will ask you for some documentations. They will ask you like your M-Pesa statements. They want to see what has been happening. They will also ask you about, but mostly for the M-Pesa statements, that one, let's first remove it from the theft cases. That will come from the accident. For the accident part of it, in view of this episode, we try to explain why an insurance investigator will ask you for your M-Pesa statement. During the theft case, they will ask you for maybe CCTV cameras. They will come, they interview some people who are around when it was being stolen. Maybe there was someone who saw something that was happening. They will try to explain to these investigators what is happening. So guys, because this is just the beginning, I want to urge you, like, let us be meeting here every Tuesday. Every Tuesday at 4 p.m. we'll be getting deep and deeper into this insurance, because I don't want a case where you pay for a insurance cover, at the end of it all you get no compensation. I don't want you to go pay for a third party, or else you can afford a comprehensive cover. I don't want you to go pay for a comprehensive cover, yet your vehicle is only for third party. So guys, keep it here, 3 Time Roundtable every Tuesday at 3 for the insurance matters. Thank you very much and God bless you.